Hey, what's going on, guys? So welcome back to another Python tutorial. So yeah, we have been doing with classes and objects. So we have seen what inheritance means in our last video, and so we have also seen how we can use that in our program. So in this video, we will see the concept of multiple inheritance, and we're going to use that in our program. So yeah, before we start off with this video, just a quick note that we started a series on web development. So if you're interested on learning web development, you can check that series out. So we have our first video of that series that is a crash course on HTML. Not too long, around 45 minutes or so. So you can check that video out. I'll most probably leave the link of that somewhere in the description or most probably around this screen so that you can access and you can learn if you are interested. So yeah, let's get started with this video. So as the name says, multiple inheritance means inheriting from multiple classes. So to understand it better, you can have more than 5 class, 10 class, it does not really matter. But just for example, I will be using 2 classes. So first, I'm gonna name a class character, and so this class would have a method called as run, and methods are basically functions, just another name for functions in classes. So this run function would just print saying I am running, nothing too fancy. And then we're gonna have another class called as attack, and so this function would have a method called as attack, and this attack would again print something on the screen, let's say attack. Okay, and so to understand the concept of inheritance, multiple inheritance, first we're going to need to create our main class. In this case, let's call it hero. And so yeah, now this hero, if we want to inherit these 2 classes, so character and attack, we're going to use these brackets, and then inside these brackets, first we're going to write character since we want to inherit from character, and then we're going to write attack. So now this hero class has both these methods, that is attack and run. So now he is capable of using attack and he is also capable of run. So we cannot leave this class empty because we know that Python is going to hit an error. So for that we're going to write just pass so that Python just skips that. And so yeah, I have already explained what pass statement does or pass keyword does, so I already have a video, you can check that out. And so yeah, now let's create an object of this hero class. Let's call it Hank and hero. So now if we use this period operator, so you can see that we have run and attack, both methods which are not from this hero class but they are from this character and tag. So you can see that these are getting suggested, so you can click on any of these. So Hank, let's also use the attack method, and now if I run, you can see that it prints I am running for this Hank.run, and then Hank.attack prints saying attack. Now let's say for some reason you do not want to print this attack, or let's say you want to override this method. So for that, you do not need to change attack here, but what you can basically do, you can define new attack in your main class, in this case hero, and let's say you want to print saying I cannot attack. So now when you run, so even though this hero class has inherited from this attack class, but this attack method, which is also common in this attack class, so this would get now overridden by what you have written inside your main class. In this case, I cannot attack, so the print statement, so it's going to print saying I cannot attack. And then you can also have some special functions for your own class. So let's say jump is a function which is only accessible to your hero class, so what it prints saying swoosh or something, some weird noise. And so now when you write Hank.jump, it's going to execute this method, which is in your main class hero. Okay, swoosh. So yeah, that's the concept of multiple inheritance in Python. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys learned something new. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe and like this video if you haven't already. And so yeah, make sure to check that web development series out if you are interested. So yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching.